If you are thinking about, is it possible to restore health without drugs and doctors? It is possible, my friends. Each person by nature has a mechanism of self-healing, as he has a connection with the very source of life. Everyone receives health and vitality, not only from nature, but also from space, from life itself, the divine source. Therefore, the basis of health is energy. And this has already been proven by modern science. There are no incurable diseases, this is true. The natural state of a human is health. You just need to learn how to return to your natural state. To do this, you need to master the sacred energy practices that support life and health. Learn to restore your energy and accordingly physical health. It really is possible for everyone. The results of our students confirm this. Natalia Rodina has collected this knowledge and methods in the online course Energy of New Life and invite you to study. This is the program of unlocking superpowers and inner strength. But first we invite you to an open online seminar on March 3rd. Press the button Learn More and register.